stop procrastination using this 2-minute rule. Every year, many people take New Year resolutions, like waking up early, going to gym, eating healthy, losing weight, writing a book, learning something new. But what happens? Majority of people give up the new habits very soon. Are you someone who is also looking to build new habits but not able to do that? Then this video is for you. As in this video, I'm gonna give you a simple yet powerful technique how you can beat procrastination and become more productive, more efficient, more disciplined, more committed, and more powerful. And I call this technique the 2-minute rule, and it will make a lot easier for you to get started on the things you should be doing. As per the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, most of the things that you procrastinate are not actually difficult to do, and you have the ability, you have the skills to complete them every time. You just avoid them for one reason or another. The 2-minute rule removes procrastination and laziness, as it makes it easier to start taking action that you cannot say no. When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. So the 2-minute rule says the same thing. Any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. You will find that nearly any habit can be scaled down into a 2-minute version. If it is difficult for you to run 5 kilometers every day, can you just tie your running shoes? It will take just 2 minutes. If it seems boring to read 50 pages every day, can you just read one paragraph? It will take just 2 minutes. If it is boring to meditate daily for 30 minutes, can you just sit in the meditation posture for 2 minutes? So the difficult tasks becomes easier by this rule. Reading 1 page daily is easier than reading 50 pages daily. Tying your sports shoes is a lot easier than running 5 kilometers every day. Taking out your yoga mat is easier than doing 30 minutes of yoga. The idea is to make your habits as easy as possible just to start. And this is a powerful technique, because once you have started doing the right thing, it is much easier to continue doing it. A new habit should not feel like a challenge, and the first 2 minutes should be easy. You want to become a writer? Just write 1 sentence. It will take 2 minutes, and you will find yourself writing for many pages. You want to make reading a habit? Just read the first page of a new book. It will take only 2 minutes. And before you know it, the first 3 chapters have flown by. You want to run daily? Just get your running shoes on. It will take just 2 minutes, and you will end up running. So the 2 minutes rule is to take action and letting things flow from there. And the most important thing of any rule, any new habit, is getting started. Not just the first time, but every time. It's not about performance. It's about consistent action and daily action. So try it now for yourself and see the difference.